Mold-Making Technology's Leadtime Leader Awards recognize the outstanding efforts and growth of North America's top mold manufacturers. Each year, we search for companies that have successfully set a higher standard in overall innovation, efficiency, quality, and commitment in mold manufacturing. This year's winners raised the bar once again. Both have instituted high technology, value-added services, and employee-centered culture, which makes these shops leaders in their field.
Welcome to Krieger Craftsmen. I'm Tim Krieger, and we're proud to be Mold Making Technology's Leadtime Leader for 2016. Krieger Craftsmen is a Michigan mold manufacturer specializing in automotive lighting, interior trim, connectors, appliances, and other products. We approach mold making as production. We've invested in high-performance equipment that can run unattended to improve productivity and reduce lead times. A cornerstone of our process is the Grobe 550. It's a 5-axis horizontal machining center equipped with a Schuler 10-pellet robotic loadmaster. It's an absolute production powerhouse designed for 24/7 operations. This fit with our concept of productionizing mold manufacturing. Additional tooling and accessories make our equipment more user-friendly. Hundreds of specialized tool holders populate large capacity changers for more efficient cutting. FCS fixturing on every machine provides repeatability with faster setups. FCS is built right into the tool path processing. Our turnaround from design to high-quality first samples has been greatly reduced by the implementation of expedited design. This is where our manufacturing team works with the engineers. We have great equipment, but without the people, we'd be like any other shop. Our people are the most important aspect of our success. I'd like to introduce you to a few examples of the top-notch people who are part of the driving force behind our success.
Anyone can buy equipment. We believe it takes the right people, training, and culture to satisfy the customer's needs. My name is Durbin Haas, General Manager at Krieger Craftsmen. We are specialists in automotive lighting with complex lenses such as reflex, Fresnel, and pillow, as well as two-shot and multicolored lenses.
What I find unique about Krieger Craftsmen is how caring my coworkers are and that we're all working for the same success.
I like working at Krieger Craftsmen because it's a small company with big ambitions. As the company moves forward, I'm given a chance to move forward as well. I started sweeping the floors, now I have an office programming for everyone else.
I've been with Krieger Craftsmen for over 6 years. I enjoy working here because of our dare to be great mindset, our no fear mentality, and we are always staying on the leading edge of technology.
I've been working at Krieger Craftsmen for 5 years, and we are like a big family with every day posing new challenges and opportunities.
The 2013 American Moldbuilders Association Leadership Conference emphasized shop culture. I committed to making Krieger Craftsmen a place where anyone would like to work. We've installed better and more efficient lighting, air comfort systems, including air filtration, beautiful break areas, and worked to keep our environment cleaner, more like home. This environment has helped us attract and keep the kind of people we want to grow with.
Through our technology, training, and our ability to do lights-out machining, we can lower our lead times and pricing, which allows us to compete in North America as well as globally.
Our culture is based on honesty, integrity, and teamwork. That, coupled with the latest technology, has allowed Krieger Craftsmen to become the 2016 Leadtime Leader.
When I think of mold manufacturing, I really think of the whole process of manufacturing applied to mold building. We're probably one of the few shops that standardize on raw materials coming in one end of the building and finished goods going out the other end of the building like a real manufacturing company. For us, mold manufacturing is that flow. It's the process applied not only to making the mold itself, but the entire upfront planning process from the time we start quoting to the time it goes through design. It's a very defined process that we follow on every mold that goes through here. One of the things that MSI is most proud of is the process that we've developed over the years to standardize mold construction. So we've tried to standardize on certain sizes of ejector pins. We have 2 main sizes of leader pins. We have standardized on many things as far as the construction is concerned, so that standardization as part of the process is similar to the flow, how we flow things through. And one of the things that we focus on here when we place a machine, when we buy a technology, is how does it fit in the flow of the organization. Recently, MSI has implemented FCS work holding in our facility. We have started out with our largest machines first to allow us the flexibility to move from a piece from one machine to another machine depending on what the operation is, and decreasing the setup time. In 2001, MSI made the strategic purchase of a mold shop in Greenville, South Carolina. Over a few years, MSI was able to instill the same culture and process in our Greenville facility that we have in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and to provide our customers in the Southeast the same level of service that they expect from MSI as a corporate entity.
We want to be the best choice in mold making for all of our customers. We have invested heavily in maximizing machine efficiency. We have also worked on reducing setup times through work holding systems and increasing unattended machining time using offline programming. We recently put up an addition with larger cranes and a large 5-axis CNC mill, which increased our mold size capabilities. Our most recent expansion was installing a 3,000-ton sampling press to further reduce lead times and streamline the sampling process. The future looks very bright, and I am excited to see what the next chapters hold for MSI. We have high school and college level programs. High school has more exposure to jobs and available careers. At the college level, we have interns working from 10 to 30 hours per week doing more advanced work. MSI brings both high school and college classes through for plant tours several times a year.
MSI's process is really the backbone of what we've built here in this organization. The standardization that occurs not only in how we design and build a tool, but how we run our meetings is very critical. So our whole focus is trying to make a cost-effective tool not only by the decisions we make, but by the processes that we go through. MSI Moldbuilders is honored to be recognized by Mold Making Technology magazine as an industry leader.